Okay, let's go.
Let's go.
Okay.
Welcome to my suite. Let's go. Follow me. What's
What happened?
in
Ano
here?
na? Tingnan mo, ano meron dyan?
My
Ano yan?
quarters.
This is the Purot room for Ethan. Oh, good thing there's another shower para pag tumatay ka. Nice, pogi oh, pogi oh. Ate's calling. Hello, ate? Na. For the parking? Hello? Yeah, go to self-parking, get a ticket. I'm gonna ask them to waive it here inside, okay? Let me know when you're nasa lobby na kayo. Okay, bye. Okay, asan na tayo?
Now we're in my living room. And this is my bedroom.
Okay. Oh! Ano meron sa bedroom mo? Tingnan natin.
Here.
Tingnan mo, walang ilaw.
Bathroom. Where's the ilaw?
Madilim.
Where's the lights?
I don't know. Asan ang ilaw ng bathroom mo?
What is this?
Tingnan mo. Here. See?
I have bath salt. I have everything. Here.
Oh, I can see you ligoing here. I can see you bulbul there. Okay. Oh, wait, yung gift ko kay ate. Ano meron dito? Tingnan natin sa labas. Ethan, let's go outside.
Let's go to
Okay.
my yard.
Okay. Hindi mo pinakita yung kitchen mo na. Let me see what's in your kitchen.
My kitchen.
Oh.
Here I have my
There's a sink.
sink.
Oh, you have your wine cooler. Okay. Not bad.
Let's go
Okay.
to my front
Okay.
yard.
Ito na po, ang init. Asan tayo?
We are here in Las Vegas. You know how big the yard is.
Oh, it's windy.
You can relax here.
Ayun yung spear.
Spear.
Ano ba dapat?
Spear.
Oh, the fountain. Ayan. Oops, baka malaglag. May naliligo doon, swimming pool. Ayan. Okay.
Bedroom
Okay.
here.
May pasukan ba dyan?
No.
Ayan o. Oh, see? Okay, close it please. Yun. Okay. Nice. Okay. Don't forget to like, hit subscribe button, okay?
Hit it.